Right person, hired, onboarded, and productive within 90 days. Input role title, hiring reason, budget, timeline, and required skills. Bob defines the role and creates the job description. Source candidates on LinkedIn. Interview, make the offer, draft the contract, run onboarding, then the 90-day performance check. Your output, clear role definition, signed hire, completed onboarding, and first performance review. Trigger, need to hire someone. From job description to productive team member. Build the right team.